The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and close, open and close, open and close. The door on the bus goes open and close, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The brakes on the bus go screech, 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 screech. The wheels on the bus go screech, screech, all through the town. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four little monkeys climbing on a chair. One slipped off and hurt her hand. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys climbing on the chair." Three little monkeys running on the road. One tripped down and scraped his foot. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys running on the road." Two little monkeys touching things hot. One got burned and cried a lot. Papa called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys touching things hot." One little monkey chewing on a toy. He coughed and felt no joy. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys chewing on a toy." Now little monkeys doing things safe. Mama and Papa know the way. Always listen to what they say, so we can have fun and stay safe. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, and toes, and eyes and